Hey guys, today we are going to learn on how to change your profile picture on TikTok. And all we have to do is to launch our TikTok application. Then we're going to tap on our profile here at the top bottom left corner. From there, you're going to tap on edit profile. There, you're going to tap on change photo. And then you're going to tap on select from gallery. Then you're going to choose the photo that you would like to have as your profile picture. Let's say this one. You're going to tap on that dot, and then you're going to tap on confirm. And there we are going to adjust our picture, and then we are going to tap on save and post. And once you have done, it will be saved as your TikTok profile. And even as we head on over back, we'll be able to see the picture that we've saved on our profile. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.